this year is on October 31st, which is a Sunday. Hi, my name is Shawn. We like to have fun over here on this channel with some DIY Halloween party games. Here are some fun Halloween facts you may not know. Candy corn was originally called chicken feed. Because corn was originally used to feed chickens in the 1880s, it was originally called chicken feed and labeled with a rooster. The most lit jack-o'-lanterns on display is 30,581. This is according to the Guinness Book of World Records, and it all happened in New Hampshire. Halloween originated from an ancient Celtic tradition, according to the History Channel. Origins of Halloween date back 2,000 years and was celebrated on October 31st, which is the eve of their New Year. So really, it's a New Year celebration. The Celts believed that the dead would return to the earth on the day before their New Year. So they lit bonfires and they put on costumes to ward away the dead. The Irish immigrants are responsible for bringing Halloween to the United States. I'm part Irish, way back in my history. So were my ancestors responsible for Halloween coming over? I don't know. This all happened in the 1880s when the Irish were fleeing from the potato famine. Candy wasn't given out to trick-or-treaters until the 1950s. What the what? And of course, it was a marketing ploy in the 1950s when candy makers figured out they could capitalize and sell candy by having people give it out to trick-or-treaters. According to candystore.com, Skittles are America's most loved candy. Let me know down below, are you a Skittles lover? And candy corn is America's least favorite candy? I love candy corn. Let me know down below, do you love it or hate it? The fear of Halloween is called this right here. This right here. If you fear Halloween, this is what it's called. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.